why you will fail in affiliate marketing for sure if you're not doing this, and how to avoid it. In this video, I'm going to share you like the things which I learned from my experience. Like if you are not following this, then there is a high probability that we will fail in affiliate marketing. Okay, as you know that affiliate marketing or any online business is a highly competitive business. Okay, a lot of people are doing this business every single day. A lot of new people are coming into this market every single day, and as per the statistics, 98% of the people who start affiliate marketing will fail. Why they will fail, I'm going to share that points step by step. Okay, the first thing is shiny object syndrome. Okay, when we start any business, mainly in this affiliate marketing, we see a lot of offers, we see a lot of people are selling courses, a lot of people are motivating you every single day on a daily basis. Okay, it's not I'm not saying it's bad, but the thing is, if you're starting something online, you just started as a beginner, and if you're going into multiple things at once, there's a high probability that you will fail. Okay, if you're starting something online, if you're doing affiliate marketing, stick with one thing for the next 2 to 3 months, get some success, make some money, understand those things, then go into some different things. Don't go into multiple things at once, because it's hard to do. Because even for me, it's hard to do going into some different things. As a human beings, we are emotional beings. Okay, if we see something, we get motivated and we just jump into it very quickly. Okay, so we need to resist ourselves to stick to one thing for the next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, until and unless we get success. Then we can go into anything after that if we want it. Okay, and the next thing which I observed, like if you want to build a long-term sustainable business, if you want to grow in business, the second thing is building digital assets. It might be email list, it might be social media following, it might be anything. Okay, you need to have an audience with you all the time. If you're not building an email list, if you're not building an audience, we can make some money in short term, but in the long term, everything can change. The social media algorithm might change, the business might change, anything can change. So it's better to build an audience from the day one. The main thing which I observed is building an email list is very important, because nowadays we don't know, anything can ban. Facebook can ban, Instagram can ban very easily. You are seeing news every day. Okay, anything can happen, but the only thing which we have control over is an email list. So it's better to start building your list from today. If you want how to build your list, I will give the video below of this description. You can just go and watch that video, and you can start your email marketing journey, start from the day one. Okay, this is very important. Building a digital asset is very important. It might not give results now, but in the future it will save you a lot, because as per the statistics data, for every one email you have in your list, you make $1. If you have 500 emails, you can easily make $500 per month. I'm not saying this, you go to Google and check, you'll understand the power of an asset. Okay, you have to start building your digital asset from the day one. I'm not saying I have a lakhs of list, I have a short list, but I am trying to build it. Okay, even you have to do the same. Okay, and the next important thing, like I observe many people, okay, even I did this mistake when I got started, is reinvesting the profits into the business. Okay, when you're doing affiliate marketing, okay, it's not that you made money and you're buying some things. Okay, of course, if you want to buy a phone or anything, it's okay, but generally we spend money on the things which we don't require, because we go with the emotions of buying certain things at high cost, and when it comes to business, we won't spend anything. Okay, so it's important to reinvest our money into the business again. It might be through paid advertising, it might be investing in some tools, tracking tools, spying tools, or buying some courses, learning something, learning some new skills. We need to reinvest our profits into the business so that we can scale up. If we are not reinvesting the money into our own business, again every time we have to start from the scratch, and we can't scale that business to the next level. Okay, this is what I observed, and it's very hard to reinvest the profits into the business, because we are making money, again we are spending money on the business itself. But we have to think for long term. Okay, if you want to go long term, we need to reinvest our profits into the business so that we can sustain long term into this business. Okay, and the next important thing is learning new skills every day. Okay, because we know market changes every 6 months, every new year. What is working for you now, what is working for me now, might not work in the future, might not work after 1 year. Okay, it's important to learn new skills every day. Okay, it might be anything, it might be paid ads, it might be some personal branding, it might be anything, but we need to be updated all the time. Okay, if we are not updated, then every time we have to start from the scratch, and people who started newly can outreach you very easily. Okay, so you have to understand, we have to be updated, we have to learn new skills every day. Okay, what are the new skills? I don't have to say, you can see every day, like Instagram reels or ads. Okay, native ads, or something which is newly coming into the market and people are crushing in it. Okay, at least if we are not getting success in that, that's okay, but at least we need to try it. Okay, because after 1 year we should not regret for not starting this. At least we need to try. There's a high probability that you get success or you get experience in it. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this video. Everything I shared in this video based on my experience. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you really found any value from this video, just say in the comment section what value you have got, and because it gives me some motivation to make some more videos in the future like this, which can be helpful to you. And just share it so that it will reach a lot of people who are in need. Okay, so once again, stay safe, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.